Erode Sengunthar Engineering College. The Outlook survey is 29th place among self-financing engineering colleges in All India ranking. DataQuest survey 66th place in All India ranking. Careers 360 survey AAA plus grade in All India ranking. CSR GHRDC survey 23rd place in All India ranking and 10th place in best placement ranking list, and above 3 crores financial support from AICTE, DST, CSIR, BRNS and EDC. And the college is accredited by NAAC with highest grade of A, and it is approved autonomous for 10 years, accredited by NBA, National Board of Accreditation, New Delhi, accredited by IEI, Institute of Engineers, India, Kolkata, and MSME Incubation Center, and permanently affiliated to Anna University, Chennai. The number of companies visited for placement are 102, number of PhDs 48, number of MOUs 42, and fund received in lakhs 350. The professional societies are IEEE, IEI, ISOL, IETE, CSI, ISTE, IICHE, IIPE, and ICI. Disclaimer. This information is collected from various sources in the internet only for the information purpose. The user is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. The courses offered at Erode Sengunthar Engineering College Autonomous are Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Information Technology, Robotics and Engineering, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Engineering, Civil Engineering, Chemical Engineering, Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Biomedical Engineering, and Agricultural Engineering. The cutoff marks for this college for various castes are: for OC it is 146 to 179, for BCM it is 102 to 178, for BC it is 129 to 179, for MBC it is 122 to 173, for SC it is 84 to 138. The facilities in this college are: hostel. The on-campus accommodation offers the infrastructure necessary for balanced, practical life as well as complete professional training and personal fulfillment. All the hostels are provided with well-furnished and ventilated rooms with necessary amenities for students. These include indoor games, reading rooms, audio-video facilities, and telecom services. Sports. The department has all facilities to promote sports and games among the students. State level and district level tournaments are periodically held in the campus. Library. The library has 11,531 titles, 45,934 volume of books, 111 national journals, 107 international journals, and 36 magazines. The facilities are smart card based entry, common reading halls, book lending, reprography, digital library, internet and e-resources access, periodicals, interlibrary loan, Delnet. Quality Improvement Cell. The Quality Improvement Cell is formed to enhance the quality of both faculty and students. Quality Improvement Cell motivates and aids the faculty to switch from traditional learning mode to blended learning mode for the enhancement in quality of technical education. In blended learning mode, apart from textbooks, faculties have to go through the video lectures provided by eminent scholars or institutions so that the teaching learning process will be effective. Hard disks are provided to each department to have the collection of NPTEL video lectures, ebooks, open courseware learning materials from reputed institutions like IITs, MIT USA, etc. So that both faculty and students go through these lectures during the convenient time. And IIT Bombay Remote Center. IIT Bombay has approved the college has remote center to conduct workshops, seminars, conferences, guest lectures, faculty development programs, etc. for the student and faculty. A separate facility is established with necessary systems, electrical and electronic equipments to support this program. The recruiters for ESC are SPIC, MISI, Quest, Voltec, Access Global Automation, WinAsh, Technico, Libra Industries, Jasmine Infotech, Thirumalai Chemicals Limited, Scope E-Knowledge Center, Suresh Associates, Texmo, AIS, LGB, Aqua Group, Gemini Innovations and Leadership, VV Dayan, Zifo, VWR, and the other non-circuit branches are Tata Consultancy Services, Cognizant, Wipro, L&T, Polaris, Excellacom, Aspire, Maverick, Vinayak Infotech, Quadra, Dart, Mobius, Odessa Technologies, American Megatrends, Payoda, UniDBs, Hexaware, GODB Tech, AURASS, VULAM, HGS, and many more. Result comparison for this college from 2013 to 2016 are from 50 percentage to 75 percentage. In 2013 it was 69 percentage, in 2014 it was 53, in 2015 it was 62, and in 2016 it was 72 percentage. College counseling code is 2707. Contact college at 9942865500, 9842465500, 9842865500, and 04294 232701, 04294 232702, 04294 232703, and website is www.erode-senguntar.ac.in. The college is located at Tundupati Post, Perundurai, Erode 638057, and mail ID is admission@esec.ac.in, contact at esec.ac.in.